Hey everyone, welcome to another LeetCode problem solving session. In this video, I will guide you through solving the two-sum problem using TypeScript programming language. The two-sum problem is a fundamental coding challenge that tests your understanding of arrays and basic algorithms. In this tutorial, I will explain the problem statement and walk you through step by step as we devise a solution together using TypeScript. TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript that adds static types to the language, making it safer and more robust for large-scale applications. Even if you are new to TypeScript, don't worry, I will explain each line of the code in detail so you can follow along easily. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to approach and solve the two-sum problem efficiently in TypeScript. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, this tutorial will help you sharpen your programming skill and become more confident in tackling similar challenges on LeetCode and beyond. What is plus one problem? Imagine you are given a non-empty list of digits representing a non-negative integer. Your goal is to increment this integer by 1. The digits are arranged such that the most significant digit is at the head of the list and each element in the list contains a single digit. What will be our approach? Now, we will start from the rightmost digit, the units place. Check if it is less than 9. If it is, we will simply increment it by 1. If it is equal to 9, we will set it to 0 and move to the next digit towards to the left. We will continue this process until we find a digit that is not equal to 9. If we read the leftmost digit and it's 9, then we will need to add one more digit at the beginning of the list. This line defines a function named +1, which takes an array of digits as input and returns an array representing the digits of the input number +1. Let's define a constant. Here we store the length of the input array, which is digits, in the variable n. This will be used to iterate over the array. Next, I will define a for loop. This line starts a loop that iterates backward over the digits array starting from the last element. I forget a semicolon over here. Inside the loop, we check if the current digit is less than 9. If it is, then adding 1 to it won't cause a carry, so we increment it by 1 and return the digits array. If the current digit is less than 9, we simply increment it by 1. After incrementing the digit, we return the updated digits array. So now we have to tackle the case if the current digit is 9, meaning adding 1 to it would result in a carry. We set the current digit to 0. So in the else case, setting the current digit to 0 prepares it for the carry. Next, we have to handle the case if the loops complete without returning. It means that there is a carry after processing all the digits. In this case, we will add a new digit 1 at the beginning of the digits array to represent the carry. After the for loop, digits.unshift. Add a new digit 1 at the beginning of the digits array to represent the carry. Finally, we return the updated digits array, which now represent the input +1. Let's run the program. Our case 1 is accepted, our case 2 is accepted, and case 3 accepted. Let's submit the code. Here is a quick summary. In today's video, we discuss the +1 problem on LeetCode and solve it using TypeScript programming language. We followed a simple approach of iterating through the digits, handling carry if needed, and adding an additional digit if required. I hope you found this video helpful and easy to follow along with.